All right, everybody. In this one, we have a 2020 Honda CRV. Now, a little history on this vehicle. There was a front smash. They ended up replacing the intercooler that's onto the front of the vehicle. And now when you start the car, all right, it's revving super high and then it stalls out. So I'm pretty sure we probably have an intake leak or a leak somewhere around the intercooler, but let's check and see what the check engine light says and we'll go from there. All right, got the X tool pulled up. We're going to go with the 16-pin connector. We're going to go into Canada. We're going to go automatic scan, hot system scan. All right, hot system scan is just going to take and scan the main modules that are onto the vehicle so that we could take and quickly diagnose this. We could also do a full system scan, but I don't think that that's really going to help us out. All right, that is done. We're on to the report. Electronic throttle control system malfunction of FCAN powertrain control module, no communication of PGMFI, shutter grill, ETAX malfunction, and MAF sensor circuit range performance. So we're going to go with this MAF sensor first. Well, no, actually, that one's even in history. So what we're going to do is save. Perfect. So what codes? VSA system failure, I'm not worried about that. The electronic throttle control system and MAF sensor range performance. If I give it throttle, I can get it to stay running. Okay, it's gonna go into like a limp mode if you want. So, and now it just stalled. Let's get back into the engine. I just had it running. I want to see if anything changed. So I think we're gonna go with the P2101, and we're gonna focus with that. And see, it says ETAS malfunction and ETCS current and ETS history. So, and it's the exact same code. So we're gonna go with that. I'm not worried about the shutter grill or anything right now until they actually want me to look at it. So yeah, that's gonna be what we're gonna be focused on. So what we can do is exit this. We're gonna go into some live data. I wish I could get this car to stay running even a little bit. Okay, so engine coolant temperature sensor, intake, MAF sensor, so the throttle position sensor is actually stuck. It's not reading at all. It's stuck at 31%. So I'm wondering if something during the accident might have got lodged up inside the throttle and is holding it steady. So let's turn this off. And we'll go from there, because it should be moving and it's not. Ugh. I don't even think I had to hit that button, but I might have also. Okay. All right, so where's our throttle? I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. I'll get a stand for everybody. All right, so here we have our electronic throttle lives behind this area right here. Now, I'm trying to see if maybe the wiring had got hit leading up to the throttle. I don't think so, because everything was just a front smash. So I still think that there might be something wrong and it might just be blocked. That's going to be my assumption. So I'm gonna get a screwdriver. I'm gonna remove it. Remove the hose. I'm gonna remove all the intake area. I want to remove this also. Make sure there's nothing broken inside of there. See if I can get this one. And I can see what's going on. And then that tube comes down and around and it's right there. Okay, so I think my assumption is going to be right, but we gotta check and make sure. Technically, there shouldn't really be any issues with this. See if we can pull that back. Got a bracket there holding that one. Piece of them. Yeah. So that's right into my intercooler. I think they might have got a used intercooler, which makes a little bit more sense. A little bit. Pull this hose off. Oh. Hoses are normally pretty tight, so I'm gonna have to move you guys out of the way. I can work. I want to see what that throttle is at. But we're not saying it's at 31% and it's not moving, so. There it is. Okay. Oh, let's get in there and go see, huh? Because as of right now, ooh, yeah, no, that's way open. What is up with that? Let's go look. That throttle just looks like it was jammed. I don't know. Let's get in, go look. Alright, I'll take a picture of this for everybody there. There it is. Ho some of you guys over. You guys seen I did that on camera, so. Oh, that was my face. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this with all the glare. Let's see if I can get some of that glare out of there. Probably not. Okay, so I'll just take a picture just so you guys can see, but there's a piece stuck right there. You can't really see it on the camera, but I'll pull it out for everybody. So if that got in there, what else got inside the intake is my question. Let's take a picture of that though. All right, so I didn't record that last little part that I wanted to, but that's okay. So basically, I'm just trying to reinstall the tube right now, and the tube is being very, very difficult. I got part of it on, but I can't get the second part out for some reason. So it's being extremely, extremely difficult. And hopefully I get it now. See? That. like not lining up. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys and I'll bring you guys back once it's on. All right, got that on. Now I'm just gonna tighten up these bolts, or these clamps, I should say. And then we're gonna start this up, and hopefully it runs a lot better than what it did. And like I said, I don't know what type of damage is done internally. I'm gonna give them my suggestion, and it's gonna be up to them if they want to follow my suggestion or not. If they don't, no liability, no. If they don't follow what my suggestion is, well, my repair stops here, and anything that happens after that is not my problem. So good. So the other one. We're good with that. We'll put my screwdriver away. Grab you guys. Let's go inside and go check. All right. Now, more than likely, 110% better. Let's see what happens to the throttle position sensor. We're at 15.68, 17. And now we have control of the throttle sensor, which is good. Typically, I like to see that more around the 11%, but there was something stuck into it. So I would still suggest that they replace the throttle, because I don't know how much damage actually got done to it. So, but we're at 16. That's a lot better. Okay, cut my finger. Read DTCs. What we're going to do is turn this off. We already have that saved. Okay, we're going to clear these. Turn this switch to off. Turn it to on. Let's go read. No DTCs found. Let's start it. And there we go. And there's no DTCs right now. Like I said, I'm going to write up my report. I'm going to let them know what I found and what my suggestion is. But at the end of the day, it is going to be them that needs to decide. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And I hope you guys seen that just using some basic data and some basic understanding of a system can lead you in the right direction. Sometimes we get really lucky and we pinpoint it right away, as in this case. It looked like the throttle was actually stuck, which it was, and it was stuck because there was a small piece of plastic into the throttle. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and as always, I will see you guys next time.